Swiss manufacturer Bolliger and Mabillard, more commonly referred to as B&M, have long led the amusement industry with ride models such as the inverted coaster, hypercoaster, and wing coaster. They're known to be some of the most innovative, robust, and well-engineered roller coasters around. With manufacturers like Mach Rides and Intamin now using a lap bar system in their newest coaster models, many have wondered why B&M has not come up with an answer to these comfortable and faster loading restraint systems, speculating that it may be coming soon. A new patent by B&M seems to now show off this next evolution of their restraint system. This over-the-shoulder lap bar system could prove to be for their surf coaster model coming to SeaWorld Orlando in 2023. The first of its kind and billed as the Penguin Coaster, it shows the attraction as being a standard sit-down coaster with some clever ideas in the seating columns that could make it one of the smoothest and most comfortable ride experiences ever. Translated to English, the documents show a system for maintaining a passenger which overcomes the drawbacks of the known solutions and proposes such a solution which guarantees both adequate restraint of the passenger while ensuring greater sensations as well as better comfort for the passenger during the journey on the roller coaster. Unlike the company's hypercoaster model, this lap bar system comes over the rider's head similar to an over-the-shoulder restraint, but only physically restrains the rider near the hips, allowing them to move their upper body more freely. The large improvement that is not found on other coaster trains can be found underneath the passenger. Roughly translated, the device is configured to provide vertical movement of the seat column when traveling over hills and dips depending on the vertical acceleration exercising on the passenger. In other words, the positive and negative G's vertically are going to affect how this system moves up and down. This articulating system is attached to a fixed column and then balanced to provide a vertical dampening of the seat column when traveling on the roller coaster based on these G's exerted on the passenger, which in turn could lessen G-force spikes and vibrations that can be uncomfortable for some riders. The movement can be adjusted as needed by means of hydraulic fluid, and also to balance the device correctly based on the weight of the passenger once they jump aboard. This method to make the ride more comfortable located under the seat can also be applied to a flying coaster as well as an inverted coaster train, though not shown in these documents. Moreover, the same principle is applicable in the assumption of an inverted installation where the passenger holding system is suspended under a vehicle. The invention is likewise also applicable to a flying installation where the passenger holding systems are designed to support and retain the passengers in an essentially lying posture. The expected surf coaster layout coming to SeaWorld Orlando has swooping turns, one inversion, and nothing too insane in terms of elements. This makes sense as it is the first time B&M will be using this restraint system and may not want to be extremely advantageous. So with these newly surfaced documents, we can assume the new SeaWorld surf coaster is an over-the-shoulder lap bar system that includes a dampening mechanism to provide for an ultra-smooth ride experience. This could even be used in the marketing for the new attraction if SeaWorld wanted. What are your thoughts on this new restraint system, and do you think that it truly will provide one of the smoothest coaster experiences that we've ever felt? All of the details and many pages of how this system works can be found in the patent link below in the description of the video. My name is Austin, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, see ya.